Hello, Internet friends. It's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. Today is day number 7 of our 20 items in Chief Architect X15. Yesterday, I kind of combined my number 6 and 7 with the unboxing video, so today's kind of a little bit of a bonus about stairs, and specifically curved stairs. Let's get started with our favorite software. All right, I've drawn some circles here that represent various radiuses, all the way from 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 10, 12, and 14 feet, and you'll see why I've got these here in a jiffy. A new feature in X15 is that we can control specifically in the stair system the radius of a curved stair. So when I open this straight stair system, it looks like our normal staircase specification dialog box. Let's change that and turn that into a curved stair system, just like any line or polyline segment. We select the stair, and my child toolbars are, or edit toolbars, edit tools are on the lower left of my screen here. Now, if you don't have them or don't see them, you can right click, and if you have certain settings, you may have to double right click on the object. This works for any object. Right click, maybe double right click. And you get these edit tools here. These are all the same tools that you have down here at the bottom. All right, just a quick freebie there. This case, for this stairs, we want to change line to an arc. All right, and you can double right click again, and we could go from an arc back to a line. But let's make it an arc, and I'm going to open this, and now we have some additional controls that we did not see earlier. Now notice it still locks at the top and bottom. So like a circle or a radius polyline, we don't have control to lock the center. Just the top and bottom. So you do have to kind of adjust if you make changes here. All right, on the outer arc, I want to make this radius 120 inches or 10 feet. And so see it change things, but I can move that. I can point to point move, and I can grab that. That happens to be the midpoint, and that's okay. I'm going to move it right up here to the 10-foot line, and I'm going to start dragging this around. There we go. So that 10-foot arc, 10-foot circle right there, is to the outside of the staircase. Now I've got this staircase set up as 48 inches wide, so you would understandably think that the center is going to be, instead of 10 feet, this would be an 8-foot arc. That's correct. This represents the walk line here. So kind of hanging on to the railing here, and somebody's, so this is at the 7 feet. This is 10, 8, 7 foot radius, and then inside is 6-foot radius. Okay. So if we were to change that to center line, you'll see that's 96, 8 feet. Walk line is 84, 7 feet. Inner arc is 72. Let's say I wanted to change the center line to 120 inches instead of the outer arc. I want to change the center to 120 inch radius. Notice it changed. I've locked the top, so this stayed where it was, and we just made this now center line 120 inch radius. I'm just going to go ahead and move this. I can still select point. I'm point to point moving. I can select this quadrant right here and move that. Did I change that to 120 inches? Yes. Okay. So this, where's that? There it is. Why is that not? Oh, that I'm messing that up. There we go. Because the I'm moving to the wrong line. The outer arc needs to go up here now, so that the center line is the 10-foot radius. There we go. Okay. And then if I'm going to go to the inner arc and make that a 10-foot radius, I need to drag that up here so that the inner line is now a 10-foot radius. So new controls of staircases, particularly the radius staircase, in that we have finite control of what that radius is. It used to be that I would have to set up these arcs, CAD lines, and make it snap to that, use this control to make it snap to the arc where I wanted it, and this is so much nicer. All right, thanks so much for watching this series on the new features in Chief Architect X15. If you are liking this information and learning something new, please click like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each day I release these videos. Thanks so much. Take care.